are going to have dinner here in Merdeka. I'm so excited. Hihi! Alawa to sa pinakamataas na buildings in the world. Dito na tayo sa parking.
Now Pan is going for... Where are we gonna go? I have no idea, but we are on here. So she have no idea where to go because there is no way she can press. Come here.
Dito na tayo ngayon sa Merdeka Park Hyatt. So, now magbe-video lang ako, then akit na tayo sa taas kasi yung appointment namin is 6 p.m. It's already 5:50, so meron pa kaming 10 minutes. Nanong lobby, right? So, let's go up now. I think straight.
No, sorry, too late. Thank you.
It's so dark. It's like dim. 75th floor yung lobby pa lang to, ha? Wow. Let's go. Nakakatakot. Hi. No, Merdeka Grill. Let's go. Oh, grabe. Ang ganda, no? Para siyang similar in Korea. Remember the signal something? Looks like Korea, right? Diba? The design. And then we also sit here. And then this is the also. Thank you.
So what the selection of seafood as well. The salmon roasted on cedar wood. If you're looking for a nice cut of steak,
Which one? This one? Okay.
this one is
This is the one.
Ito naman yung view natin. Actually, dapat maliwanag pa at this time. Maaraw pa. Kaso, ayan, mukhang malakas yung ulan. Madilim. Kung pwede na.
the starter. This one will be the duck liver waffle. On the bottom is a fresh waffle. And we have the duck liver mousse, some gochujang, and sometimes berries.
Okay.
So cool.
Radish cream and parsley oil. Let's enjoy. Nice. To bring up, and it comes together with a few condiments on the side. This one will be the Burmese sauce, cherry vinegar, yellow condor mashed potato,
Oh, so many.
and also the hydroponic lettuce. And to finish up the whole dish, try to layer some freshly grated wasabi along with the champignon.
Okay.
Yeah, and for the wasabi, like this one is like the freshly imported it straight from Japan.
Okay. The real wasabi.
And this one will be XO sauce. And this one will be the pineapple and chili mustard. Would you like to have a try?
Yes.
I put a little bit of it. This one XO sauce contains seafood inside.
Are you full? Are you full?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tapos na kaming kumain. Ayan, naubos na rin yung steak. Actually, ang dami nilang binigay na masasarap na sauce. And ito, alam nyo ba, is bagoong. This one is bagoong din, pero more on malalaki yung shrimp niya.
Yeah.
Tapos ito, I don't know what's this eh. Pero weird ng taste. But
Yeah.
acceptable. Tapos may mga sauce pa dito. Like this. Ayan. Apat. Tapos nag-order kami ng mashed potato kanina. Ubus na yung salad. Busog na. Pero may dessert pa tayo.
Correct.
Tinanong namin kung anong differences nung Grand Hyatt and Park Hyatt. So actually, they are the same. Pero ang differences nila is, yung Park Hyatt is more on parang dim-dim, ganyan, relaxing type, low-key, diba? Ang Grand Hyatt, diba, pagpasok natin parang more on mas brighter, mas shining, sparkling, ganung type or ganung vibe naman siya. Tapos diba kaya nga parang Grand Hyatt kasi parang more on grand nga siya.
5% lang panda. But
Wow!
yeah, and to finish up the dessert, we have an orange liquor flambe, which my colleague.
On dinner for tonight. Ngayon, naglalakad-lakad na lang kami ni David. And then after this, uwi na rin kami.